USB debugging is a useful feature for developers and advanced users, but most people don't need it enabled every day. Keeping it turned off helps protect your device by preventing unauthorized computer connections. In this guide, I'll show you the quickest way to disable USB debugging on your Android phone. Open the Settings app page. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll to the bottom and tap Developer Options. If you can't find this menu, it simply means developer options are already disabled, so USB debugging isn't active. Now scroll down until you see USB debugging. Tap the switch beside it to turn the feature off. When the toggle changes to the off position, USB debugging has been successfully disabled. For extra privacy and security, you can also hide all developer settings. Go back to the top of the Developer Options page and switch Developer Options to Off. This removes the Developer Options menu from your regular settings screen until you enable it again. And that's it. Your Android phone is no longer accepting USB debugging connections, helping keep your device safer from unwanted access. You can always turn the feature back on later if you need it for app testing, file management, or troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Android tips and tutorials for more helpful guides.